back to my channel. So today I'm here with a new video. As you can see the screen, and I'm gonna show you a tutorial of something based on Google. So let us see. We have so many apps over here, so I'm gonna just show a tutorial of docs. So obviously everyone must be knowing what is docs. It's just like pages and other apps, like an essay writing or any like documents you can prepare. I've prepared so many here. I'm going to show you that later. And so if you want to start a document, like just press blank, if you want just a blank document or something. So you get like this, so you can type anything normally, anything, okay, random thing. So there are so many options, like edit. In edit you can do like whatever you want, paste, and you will get to know that after typing. So if you want a bigger letter or something, you can just wait a sec, guys. Yeah, so sure, you can just type as dork diaries. I'm just typing randomly because I read those books. So if you are any dork here, you can just comment me in the comment box. So if you want to make this a little more bigger, even after typing, you can just select it and make it bigger, like this. Yeah, so you can even align it in the center. Yes. So next, if you want to write something, you can just as a body of the like the document or something, that was a heading. And if you write again a subtitle, you can just like write life of a non, like whatever you want, some random thing, like anything you want. Life of a non-fabulous girl. This just like think it as a subtitle. I'm just taking it from the Dork Diary. Even you can change the fonts, so I'll let you know that later. So yeah, you can align it wherever you want, so that's not needed now. So yeah, the next thing you want to do is, like, if you write something, if you want to insert something in it, you can insert image. Like if you want to insert an image which is already in your photos or in your gallery, you can just press upload from computer. And if you want to take it from like anything, you can just press search from web, and you can search as Dork Diaries, and it can give you some of the examples, and you can take any picture of it and press insert. So yeah, it's inserted, and you can adjust the size also, just as a thing. So yeah, you can just align it like wherever you want. Done. It's not that clear, so you can, if you can prefer even a clear one also, like by researching it. So yeah, next, if you want, you can write anything you want, like adjust the font size and write just I love to read Dork Diaries. Okay, it's just a title, like a body of the letter, not exactly a letter, but anything can be. So yeah, the next thing is, if you wanna like format it or something, you can like whatever you want, like page numbers you wanna add, or you wanna like do a to-do list or paragraph styles, like anything you want, you can get it in format. So tools are nothing but like which checks a spelling and grammar, and like word count. It has some shortcuts also. So yeah, there's nothing else. So this was just a basic tutorial. If you want to know like detailedly, comment me in the section box. So bye guys, hope you enjoyed and hope it was helpful for you. Bye.